Today we will talk about what to do if database shut down. First, you need download SQL diagnosis in your PC. Got to SQL website to download the SQL diagnosis. The download link will put in the description. Click the setup file to install. If window protection pop out, click more info and run anyway. Click next. Select your file location. Click next until the end. Next is make database online by using SQL diagnosis. First, go Windows search for SQL diagnosis. Click on Database Online. Choose the Shutdown FDB file. Double-click to select the FDB file you want. Now your database is successfully online.